In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file prior year taxes in Turbotax. If you need to complete a tax return from a previous year, Turbotax makes it fairly straightforward to find the right section and choose the correct product. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select so you can get started without confusion. First, head over to the official Turbotax website. It's important to begin on the official site so you know you're accessing the correct prior year filing options and current product pages. Once the home page loads, take a moment to look over the main navigation so you can spot the filing sections easily. From there, click on File Your Taxes. This option takes you into the part of the site where Turbotax organizes its filing tools and products. Even though you're not filing for the current year, this is still the right place to begin because it leads you toward the available tax filing choices. Next, look for and click File Taxes for a Prior Year. This is the key step that separates past year returns from the standard current year filing flow. If you've been searching around the homepage and weren't sure where to go, this option is what you need. It will direct you to the page specifically designed for older tax years. Once you're on the prior year taxes page, select the year you want to file. In this example, the available choices are 2022, 2023, or 2024. Be sure to choose the correct year for the return you need to complete, since tax forms, deductions, and filing rules can vary from one year to another. Taking an extra second here can save you time later. After choosing the tax year, the next step is to select the Turbotax product that fits your situation. You'll see options such as Deluxe, Premier, Home and Business, or Business. The right choice depends on how complex your taxes are and whether you're filing as an individual, handling investments or property-related income, or working with self-employment or business tax needs. As a helpful tip, before you pick a product, think about the types of income and deductions you need to report for that specific year. That can make it easier to choose the version that matches your return and avoid switching later. Once you've selected the appropriate product, you're ready to move forward with your prior year tax filing in Turbotax. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.